你叫什么名字？
Nisha Shakaminju. What?
Do you want to play? Do you have any interest in playing the sortie today with me? Okay, cool.
你叫什么名字
Power
China
grid.
#1.
Power
Power-
grid.
power
Bets
grid.
on how
Okay,
long
power
it's gonna
grid.
take you to get
Power
arrested
grid.
in China.
争论，争论。对不起，对不起。
Oh yeah, but I heard that you asked about the Shade Spa, and it was pretty good. We got 7 people. I mean, one of them was Niz and one of them was Elaine. So it's technically 2 like store owners.
Yeah.
But it was
what,
still good.
What were the races that were played?
JP and the new guy Liam played the corn.
How did Liam not play?
There was a new guy called
Wait, what?
Kurt,
No,
and
no,
he
no,
played
no, no,
rats
no.
like I did. I played rats, and then Altus played undead, and then
He's
Niz
still
played.
playing the undead army.
Yeah,
Are we alone, by the way?
No, we
No,
visited
no.
the group with us.
I have a
Uh,
Me and this guy in this building here with me, he's gonna finish me.
No, not like this.
Wow.
Not like
Point blank in the
this.
face.
Goodbye. Lol.
How did I miss that?
I believe in you, Kevin. Go kill that guy. Go kill him with your pistol. Also, there are people behind you to the right. They're in the building.
Alright. Oi, oi, oi. You don't see me.
You need a grenade.
Oh, they're
Oh,
fighting.
they're on the same team.
Can you come, Curse, can you heal me?
Where are you?
Is this guy coming?
that would actually be.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Why isn't he coming
story
in?
skill.
Why isn't he coming in?
Oh god, Kevin. This could end so badly.
Come
Nicely
here.
done.
I can't heal you because that guy's gonna shoot me straight through the window.
Kevin, come help me quickly.
Kevin, try and get you as
Kevin,
fast
come
as
help me
possible.
quickly. Chris, you're gonna have to go for it.
360 no scope.
Where's the other guy?
Don't
We're
know.
not sure. Anybody got heals?
Nope. That is a negative.
Kevin,
Fuck.
did you
I'm
figure
outside
that
the
out?
house.
Don't know where that dude is.
He might have
Nick,
quit.
don't shoot, Nick.
Yeah.
Don't shoot.
I just need. Do you have health, Kevin? Anything? Bandages. Energy drink. That's it. it'll last. It'll do.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
That'll do.
Maybe this guy just ran.
Probably his
Chances?
rest of his family's dead.
Well,
It's
he
his family.
could legitimately have just quit, right?
I'm here.
I think he's hiding somewhere. I can't go in first.
Oh my hat thing, get out the way.
I'm out the way.
Yeah, he's
Suggesting
coming.
to watch.
He's in there. He's coming around that side to you, Nick.
That means you can probably flank him, Kevin.
He just threw a grenade. Go, go, go. Left, left, left.
Down.
Get in quickly, there's another guy.
Swap the shotgun.
In and
Push
out, in
him.
and out, in and out.
End him. There.
Who shot me?
The guy had
Oh god! No, 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 there's someone else.
Whee!
Raise quickly. I'm gonna probably die. Oh, he's dead.
I knocked him, there's other people.
Are we sure that there's more?
There's more people because I knocked that guy with a...
Yeah, he's not dead.
You got knocked with a sawn-off shotgun, bruh!
How did you knock him at that distance? He must have had like no health.
That's the guy I shot before.
Okay. As I said, the sawn-off is only effective at like muzzle to face distance, isn't it?
If I go down again, I'm screwed. Just saying. Kevin, leave some loot for me, please.
Then don't go down.
This is Kevin. He has to carry. Why did you drop your level 3 backpack, you silly man?
Yeah, no.
I was literally about to steal it. You shouldn't have said anything.
There's
think
someone
Kevin
still
had a
around.
reason
There
to
has to be
contain it.
someone still around.
We are not in the circle. We must move.
The guy
I
had.
think that power.
How
grid
the
would
heck did I down that guy with
Yeah.
a sword-off shotgun from like 100 meters?
That's why I was asking. I was like, how?
He must have been on like.
No, but
He must
still,
maybe
like
he was rezzed.
it must have. It's like flipping the scatter must have like nipped his like ear.
Okay, let's move. We don't have time for this guy.
Don't even have time for your shit.
Yeah. Legit.
I actually need a chest piece. Did any of them have? Does this guy
Well,
have?
more importantly, you should go.
Because it is gonna hate.
It's free real estate.
I have absolutely no proper weapon.
Well, I've got a sword-off
Yeah.
shotgun.
Well, apparently sawn-off shotguns are effective at any range, so you'll be fine.
Yep. Do you have a choke on it?
No,
How did you get him?
don't ask me, dude. Don't ask
He must have
me.
had like 2 health, and like your tiny bullets killed him.
Yeah.
Because the drop-off on the sawn-off is ridiculous.
Yeah.
I think it actually probably ricocheted off the wall next to him and hit him in the head.
Alright.
I need a
If
proper
ricochet
gun.
actually. Oi!
Oh!
Yeah, that's 150, 150.
Oh, I know.
Ah. Ooh, you could do it, Kevin. I believe in you. Micro Uzi from this distance. Hit him with your tiny
Oh,
nine
I tagged him!
Is that all your ammo for that gun?
We must move, but we don't have a choice. I'm moving.
There's a
Oh,
buggy there.
You know what?
Push
Do you
him,
wanna-
push
do
him
you
and
wanna
take
push
his
him?
shit.
Let's push him. Where's the buggy?
Do you see
Next
the
to
buggy
the
by the
tree.
tree? By the tree.
If this were Fortnite, I'd say that there's C4 all over that fucking thing.
Where is he?
He's
I think
behind
he
this
ran
rock.
away.
No, he's behind this rock.
Why is he not shooting?
Because he's scared.
I'm gonna take the buggy and ride him over. Or find him.
Yeah, take the buggy and see where he is.
So,
Oh, there he is.
I'm trying!
I know. I know you are.
Dead.
Right.
Man, I wanted to ride him over.
I think
You
were
are
about to
flipping
die.
psycho, dude. I just see
I
this
think
buggy
if Chris
flipping
had not
going
shot him-
mal.
I need a proper weapon, guys. I need a proper weapon.
I want this
Wow.
M4, but
That
Okay,
guy's
I can
very
drop some ammo.
provocatively posed.
I'll take this info.
okay, take it.
I'll drop
Oh,
60 ammo for you. 60 ammo here.
Chris, is it okay if I take the M4? 'Cause
Yeah,
I
take it. I don't
no-
mind.
Okay.
We
There
need to
was a
move.
mini
eh?
on my body.
I took it.
Someone got it. Okay.
We need to move. I'm gonna run. You guys take the buggy.
I just need to find a something.
Run,
Yeah.
Kevin, run!
Yes, please. We can wait a little bit longer because we have.
Put your gun away. Run faster.
Run, Forrest. Run.
Forest.
I need 556.
I'm looking for you, Chris. I've got 100 space, so I can spare 30.
No, never mind. It's fine. I've got.
Oh.
I hear a
So
buggy.
let's get in the vehicle. Are we gonna open fire on this guy?
Oh, I see a vehicle.
No, he's gone. Chris, come. We need to go. Hey,
Where are you?
I'm going to the buggy.
Where's the
where that incident happened.
Yes. First aid.
It was nice.
Go.
What? What? You didn't take? What the hell?
Yep, this is PUBG. Get good at picking stuff up, bruh.
Like,
This is
I
not
didn't-
America.
You should
Okay,
automatically
second
make
aid.
your mouse double click on stuff.
That's a good. That's a good idea. I'm going for that. Or should I just run for the circle?
Oh, I don't know
Your
because I think
timing
we
is
might
not great.
die
Yeah.
with
But I
Nick
do want to drive that
driving.
sports car.
Sure.
I'm the greatest
Why
driver
not?
there ever was.
Oh,
You're
there's
gonna
that new like shitty car.
literally drive past
Yeah.
people.
That
and
thing has like
die.
I've watched people play with that thing in streams and they just like instantly die if they get shot at.
Okay.
Because
then
it's
I'll
full
take
of
the truck.
it's full of fuel.
I'll take the truck.
I'm stopping here.
Yeah, please quickly before people shoot us. Thank you. Now.
Oh, Kevin, you are playing very dangerously.
Oh my god!
yeah, sit in the back of that truck. That's gonna help.
See if it drives.
Who's driving? Who's driving?
This is America.
America.
we going- I'll see you at the graveyard.
What? No, why?
As in like at the place, not not after
Why
life.
aren't you
Oh, we could go to Minas Generales.
why aren't you with us?
Huh. That's a very interesting bug, PUBG.
Why? What happened?
So all your guys' map markers that are on Power Grid on my mini map are like just moving arbly. Like
Oh.
they're just sort of gliding across the mini map.
Interesting. Okay.
Vehicle? Oh, it's
That's
Kevin.
me. Whee!
Epic hang time.
Whee! I go to graveyard.
Ooh, be
You go
careful.
to death.
Isn't that
Whee!
yeah? Oh no, it's not that. Oh no, it is.
Chris, are we running or taking the vehicle?
Oh, I was ready to go into the circle.
Such
Yeah.
driving.
Okay, I'm taking the buggy.
Like I mean we
Doesn't
can
look
run
easy.
into the circle.
Wait.
Is that a
what?
tactical stock there?
Pick that up for me please if you have
I
space.
need it.
Well if you find another one.
All right.
I'd be your eyes. I'd be your eyes, Kevin.
Thank you.
Because his are so small.
Oh god.
Wow.
I still have 3 kills.
Fair enough.
Oh, how many kills
Yo.
you got, Nick?
One.
Sick burn.
Oh.
Sick
Mm,
burn.
tasty
is-
burns.
I have 3 times. 3 more kills. 3 times more kills.
Imagine if never mind.
You were gonna say he has 0.
Imagine if.
Nothing.
Okay, this door's open. Okay, no. This thing has. no
It's a
doors.
church. It doesn't have doors.
I was gonna say imagine if you could actually see
Is
properly.
that an M4? Just if it is, you should probably tell the others about it.
M4.
Yeah.
Where?
In between the
I have
pews.
one
No,
for-
that's S12K. Shotgun.
Sorry, I didn't see.
Oh yes, I don't
I
need
need
that.
Anyone
Lots
want a
of mine
VSS? Guess not.
It's a rare occasion that you say yes to that. In fairness.
It's if you are in dire need of a weapon.
I mean,
This is
it's
good.
cool that it's.
How many times have
silent
you
and
died
stuff.
to a VSS?
Once.
Once, I think. Maybe
That was
twice.
close quarters. The guy literally was like.
It is still an SMG, right? So,
No, it's a sniper.
but it has an auto mode. So
Yeah.
in close combat, you can use it like an SMG.
Yeah, that's what happened to me.
Yep.
This is America.
No, it's
Ooh.
not.
Ooh, level 2 vest. In a very weird place.
Level 2 helmet,
Yes.
anyone need?
I do,
Who would put a police vest up there?
Well, PUBG apparently. Okay, I get in the car and I come to use.
To
Some
use
VSS. To use.
best English.
Are you
It's
sure
a
you
bit
shouldn't
wild.
don't want me to stay and teach you English, Kevin?
Goodest English.
Best learning.
There was
Good.
0.45 there. If you needed for anything.
But I mean, if that's how much you've rubbed off on Kevin, maybe you shouldn't be teaching people in China.
That's
Ha!
could be a thing.
I'm coming to you. In
Don't do
my
that.
in my
Don't.
vehicle.
Don't. You're gonna draw attention to us. Ah, there we go. That's what I needed. Sweet.
But you all attention whores.
Jeepers.
That
Oh,
escalated quickly.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Oh,
Is another vehicle? Is it?
you're still
Two
attention
of them.
whores.
Chris, I need it. Is that a 3? No, it's not. Damn it.
What?
This is really weird. On my headphones, I'm hearing the
What do
motorbike
you
through
want,
the wrong
Nick?
side.
No, if that was a 3-seater, I just wanted to sit
What
in.
about this, Nick? What do you want this? Do you want this, Nick?
Oh,
Hello.
Thank you.
Kevin, are you doing what I think you're doing?
No.
Which is deliberately making as much noise as possible.
Yes, that is what he's doing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Car.
Do you want to shoot us in the head with your scopes, which you have and we don't? Do you
They
have,
stopped.
like, a
They
3
stopped. They
times?
stopped. They stopped. They stopped. They out. They're out. They're out.
Where are they?
They here?
195 behind the ruin, I think.
Oh, flip.
I'm down.
There. Inside.
Killed.
Nice.
Someone raise.
Kevin, I'm not sure that there isn't a guy on the hill behind you.
He
They're
died
there.
automatically. So
He
just,
died automatically.
no, but there might be
That
someone
doesn't
else.
mean it can't be someone else.
You're right.
You have
fine.
a-
Does he have? Does he have armor?
He has level 2, slightly damaged.
Slightly damaged.
Yeah. Kevin got him in the head though. Wow.
Ah, damn it. I hate being so
He-
good.
He like didn't see Kevin at all.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
yeah.
I was about to come around and get him from the other side, but yet again, Kevin's just faster than me.
I've got a flash out for an AR if anyone wants.
I won't say no.
There. Who's using
Whoa!
Who's using
Okay, let's
762?
wait for the circle. Not me. Okay, let's go to Impala now.
In vehicle.
Ooh. Just
Oh,
check the drop.
oh. Be nice, be nice.
anyone need a
Might have
2-time
already
scope?
dropped.
Too far now.
Kevin, you know what would be amazing is if it dropped and it fell on top of that tower to your left.
Oh,
And there was fuck all that anyone could do.
guys, come, we must go. Let's
Hey,
go there.
don't tell me what to do. I'll do what I want to do.
Well, then you'll die and you won't get a dinner.
Okay, let's go.
And Kevin will say he told you so.
Oh, this car's out of gas.
I'm getting on my bike.
Oh, is that
Gas,
their car?
gas, gas, you gotta step on the gas.
Chris!
Oh my god!
Kevin! I said I automatically said
my
Chris.
word.
because It's like normally Chris that does something like that.
Do you have meds?
Yes.
Without watching, I'm gonna guess that Kevin just ran someone over.
Oh yeah.
You guessed correct.
Now you're
So
gonna win.
Yay!
No, I'm gonna reverse now.
Yeah, just while he's managing. Jeez, Nick, if you
If
go
I
down
go-
again, you're just
If I
gonna
go down,
edge.
I'm dead. That's
Yeah.
it. Look like it. I think I want my own vehicle, please.
Okay.
Run him over now.
I was gonna do that.
Guys, I might
would've
kill
enjoyed
myself.
it.
I'm gonna kill myself, guys. Watch. Watch, guys. Watch.
I'm excited. Farewell, Chrisu.
Woohoo!
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Oh my god!
You're all idiots.
I know. Oh my god!
going to these buildings right in front of us.
Oh,
Okay, so driving into a tree does more damage than rolling the fucking car twice.
Yep, that's the logic.
How
No, no,
are there
let's-
still 42 people alive? That's my question.
Game's broken.
Because game is broken
Guys-
and this map is too big.
Do you
we
have your
stopping
own
here?
car?
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, that's why there's another car.
Okay, I'll drop this. No, actually,
Fuck.
Is that an extended mag there?
no. Yeah, it is, but I have one.
Ah.
People, shooting from 340 ish.
It's on the ridge up top. There's 2 people running down towards us. I mean, I have an 8 times. I can take a shot, but I'm probably not gonna hit.
Then why do you
That's
have
not
the
the
8
plan.
times and the sniper?
Because he wants to fit in. I'm dropping my pistol.
Does
I don't
did
need
anyone say they need 7.62?
No.
Where are you shooting at, Nick?
350. They've just gone out of sight behind the buildings. Should we
You
move?
guys in the
I thought we were
circle.
gonna go to Impala.
Look,
Who's shooting?
Guy on
Like
top
you're
of that
taking
building.
shots.
let's just wait for the circle actually, because we don't know where it's gonna take us.
There is that a fresh level 2 vest you just walked past?
No,
Gavin?
no, it's a damaged one. So
Those
someone-
guys are in the blue, by the way.
Okay, well then suppress them. The next circle's far.
Yep, it is Impala. Do you wanna go now?
Yeah.
I'm going now.
Coming. Oh wait, we've all got our own vehicle.
Every
Don't
time,
try-
Gavin.
Go to yellow.
Where did I park my?
By the other building.
For some reason, I can't see your new map markers.
Whoa, the game's broken, Jonathan.
It's 'cause it's dead.
It doesn't appreciate your 1070 Ti.
Lol.
Whee!
Don't worry, it's not like a 1070 Ti makes this game run not like crap, so...
I'm only
Your
running.
map is particularly bad, actually.
I don't like this.
Yeah, you shouldn't, because... Well done, Kevin. Well
we
done.
won't be needing a vehicle anyway.
Yeah, you tell yourself that now.
I'm behind you, Kevin. I'm behind you.
That looks
Fresh.
like a fresh vest.
Fresh level 2 vest.
Got. Going upstairs.
Let's wait here.
There's still 30 people alive.
I know,
Jesus.
it's actually ridiculous. The drop is from me 325. I don't know if that must have been looted by now.
Yeah, must have been looted.
Yeah.
Is that it? Nah.
What did you think? Level 3?
No, like.
Guys, look at my sniping position.
You're gonna get headshotted from there once and then you're gonna cry.
I am,
Where's-
and then I'll die, but it's my fault.
Where's Nick?
Exactly, you can't even see him.
I
That's
can't even
us.
see his
With
name
you.
tag.
You could. You were just
What?
being blind.
Oh, there.
55, 55. Okay, he just went behind. I'm getting off of this. Because he was probably going to see me and wreck me. I only have a level 1 helmet. Why do I only have a level 1 helmet?
What the heck?
Because you haven't picked up a level 2 helmet. That's generally how it works.
Ah, that's a
But I
very good.
automatically expect myself to have a level 2.
You know, I've heard about the power of belief, but I don't think it actually stops bullets.
I don't even have 9 modes. Why am I playing?
Vehicle coming in at 10. Vehicle coming in
Yeah,
at 10.
And Kevin, you've walked past so much 9 more.
He stopped.
They're coming in.
He's there.
They are coming in.
He's gonna probably peek on the right of the red container.
Woo! They grenaded.
That was Kevin's grenade, I think.
No, they
don't
threw
know.
one.
I'm throwing grenades.
Where are they shooting from?
It's weird. I
Just
thought
watch
that
them
they would
mud
be
flank
there.
behind us.
I don't know how they'd get behind you without having been seen.
Maybe under the ridge.
This is a new
Oof,
tile.
you'd have to go really far, alright. Far.
I'm looking left. I can't see anybody flanking.
There, he's there.
There's two at least there.
Yeah.
Where are they exactly?
Behind the red
Behind the
container.
red container. Behind the red container.
Can you
Close one.
can you
No,
grenade?
the one on the back right.
Guys, grenade.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Kevin.
Damn it.
Well, I mean, technically that should be dry grass. This entire place should go up in flames. Jesus. I think that might be further away, even.
Yeah.
They just grenaded it. That's a stunner.
Oh, you're down to 16 alive, so better odds.
That should have hit. There's a guy behind the furthest left grey container. Or yellowish container, whatever you want to call it.
I wanna go rush, but I can't because there's someone sniping at us.
Yeah, bad idea.
If you go outside and round and right, you might be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you can go and peek around that corner with relative safety, I think.
I've got one grenade left. I had 8.
You
Whoa.
see, they don't have line of sight from there.
Should I just go? No.
I don't know. It's up to
We
you.
could just
No, no,
stay
no,
here
no.
and let them fight other people that are coming into the
There's a guy
circle.
coming up.
Where? Which side?
Left. He's I think he's flanking right, sorry. Flanking right. Kevin,
Just
that's
watch
your
Kevin.
side.
Yeah, no, Kevin's looking. Kevin, there's someone behind you and to the right, I think.
I heard.
Blue
I
is
didn't
coming
see him,
in.
but I heard the shot. If anyone else wants to be spectated, feel free to ask.
The what? Sex taped. What?
Spectated. Jesus.
I wanna be sex taped.
I definitely can't help you with that, Kevin.
Oh, we in the
We're sort of in.
Sort of in. Someone's got an orm.
You can go and hide in the corner of the building and just hope the blue wins the game for you.
Yeah, because that happens.
It does.
It does.
Now with our luck.
I got the most disrespectful kill in Fortnite earlier. A guy built a massive sky bridge and I just shot out one, like, thing and brought it all down and he died.
Oh, that's my car.
That's still to the right.
There's there's 9 other people left.
Yeah. You've got a decent chance. Unfortunately, you've all been quite badly fucked up.
The
Yeah.
thing is,
And you don't have a boost for me.
I only have 1 for me.
I'm dropping 3 here.
You're 3.
Generous. Okay, that gunfire has to be from the, like...
Should we try and get into the next little house?
No, this guy's right here.
Okay, that's not helpful info. Where's right here?
60 running. Okay, they behind the things again.
The containers.
Yeah, the containers again.
Don't you?
I shot at him, he ran back.
Do you think they've just been standing there this whole time?
No, he's been running back and forth. I've been.
Okay. Let's go to the circle and write the circle in.
Go around the
The
back.
circle's
Closing
already
in.
coming, hey?
It's closing
It's
in.
gonna chow you, so don't go into it.
I'm
hey?
not going into it.
Guys, come.
You do realize there's like no way out now.
We just jumped through that one there.
Which one?
There's a hole in the middle.
Ooh. Nice.
Okay, we're
The
still
circle's
in the
actually on you,
circle.
Kevin. Kevin, you need to be careful of behind you, hey?
Yeah.
Because I feel almost certain there's gunfire from up there on the right.
Are we doing this now, Kevin?
Okay, 3,
Coming
2, 1,
close.
go.
Just be careful about that guy who you thought was behind the container. Because you could just be hiding. There are only another 5 players. If you're lucky, that means a squad of 3 and a squad of 2. But it's also possible it's a 4 and a 1.
Oh, we wrecked the 4, and we penned the 1.
Okay, so I'm gonna check here. Just check here. I'm gonna go up behind this barrier in front of me, just
Are
to
you
see if
sure?
there's any. Yeah, if
Can I
there's
be
any
honest?
fire.
You guys are in the circle.
We should stay.
You should be like really cagey.
No, so it's just so I can see if anyone's like.
Oh, okay, no, that's fair.
So
You
I-
have the advantage because they have to push you.
yeah, so I'm gonna stay here, and you
I'm
guys
watching
just
this.
watch my side.
Chris, don't die.
Oh, that's right here.
That is really close. Chris, can you peek around that corner?
Yeah, there's
It's
a guy.
M249. Bloody hell.
There's a yeah. Okay, so at about 100, there are 2 people, 3 people. They're fighting. They're 2 different teams. Chris, you're getting shots. They're not
That-
fighting each other for some bizarre reason, but I think those are 2 different teams.
If you have a grenade, throw it into the
I have
smoke.
nothing.
We're in the circle, so.
Nice, well tagged, Chris.
Next circle is on them.
There's a guy behind the rock at 150.
Yeah, I saw.
There's
relative
2
to
people
Chris.
alive.
Yeah, I see
Chris
them.
knows where one of them is. I think only
One
one,
alive.
right, Chris?
One alive now.
One alive.
Okay.
Okay, he's
Okay,
in
so
the
he's
building.
across
He's
the
in the
road.
building at 165. The little square
Okay, you
building.
guys are gonna have to push him.
3, 2,
I'm following you, Chris.
Me
1.
too.
Okay, get into the cover of this red wall.
Wait, I'm just gonna grenade. He should be in there. Yep, there he is.
Oh, there he is.
Killed.
Far too easy.
Wow, I'm so grateful I contributed to this game.
Yes, you did!
It's definitely all because of me.